NAWMA's material recoveries facility, commonly known as a MRF, processes around about 30,000 tonnes per year of residents' yellow top bins. So we use a combination of technology and some old-fashioned picking stations along our line, and we created 19 full-time jobs in the northern region, which we're really proud about. We've got people there picking out the materials that we can recover and make new products out of. And that's why we challenge our community to do the right thing with the yellow top bins, because these guys and girls that are out on our lines, they're picking out dirty nappies and food and clothing, which is not a terribly pleasant job, as you can imagine. So we know our residents do a really good job with their recycling, but every now and then we get some contamination, and they're the things that shouldn't go in the recycling bin. On our hit list are textiles, so clothing, electronic waste, plastic bags are a big no-no. If you put your recycling in a plastic bag, we can't get to it. Food waste, and then unfortunately nappies. So what we ask our residents to do is to turn their containers over and look at the little recycled triangle in the bottom. If it's got a 1 through to 5, then put it in your recycling bin. And we've got a really simple test. If you can scrunch your plastic and it returns to its original shape or close enough to, put it in your recycling bin. If in doubt, chuck it out into the rubbish bin. South Australia rates really well nationally, according to our recycling rates. I think South Australians are engaged with recycling. They like the idea of putting the right things in the right bins, and we recycle around about 65% of everything that's put out on the curbside bin system. And then we sort it out into the different plastics, into glass and into paper and plastic. We send them off into a shipping container and they go to their end markets, and that can be either in Australia or some of it goes overseas to get turned into new plastic packaging.